Oh, I don't think you can hold Lola and do that. Up you get. Stand up. Want me to hold Lola? Put Lola there? There. Good girl, Greta. Oh yeah, I'll help her. She can't steer. There you go. Off you go. Go, go. Good girl. Go, go. What did you say, Miles? Go, go, go. Good girl. Wow. So clever. So clever, Greta. Oh, oh, so clever. Go that way. Good girl. Oh.
Have you seen my flag?
Your flag?
Yeah.
Down the back of the couch? Yay, Greta. Oh, good girl. Going in the kitchen. So clever. So clever. Let me move Melvy's shoes. Oh. Whoa! You okay? Huh? The white one, Pud.
I can't move it though.
Yay, Greta! Woohoo! Go, Greta! Go, Greta! Clever girl!
I can't push it though.
Sorry?
I can't push it.
Okay, I'll get it for you. Yay, Greta! One-handed? That's very clever. Yay, Greta! Well done! Wow! Oh, that's Charlie. Charlie, Lola. Yay, Greta! Yoo-hoo! So clever! Do you want to go back?